This is a chandelier. This silver one is $69. And what I want to do is I want to hang little crystals the way they did it with this one, which is more money, $89. And I can get beads from Michael's, like whatever color. And the gold one is $99. And the same thing, we can hang whatever color beads you want and make it like seem bigger than what it actually is. This one, like I don't care too much for it. There's also this. You saw this downtown, and we could also hang beads from it. They started. This one is $89. And a bigger one like this, that's $129. When we come here more and we see even bigger ones, such as this one, we can hang beads, whatever, and it's $189. And another like antique, old looking, that one is $200. Antique looking candelabras are here, like this one, which is $199. This one. And the one back there. So I think we can get creative with it and hang crystals. Look at that one, $179 on the top. So just an idea. Bye.